I know I'm someone who needs a lot of reassurance. I know I'm someone who has an anxious attachment style, and I need reassurance. And I ask my partner, I'm like, hey, could you give me some reassurance? I've had very negative experiences in the past, and it's not that I'm going, and it's not that I think you don't love me, it's just, I need reassurance. That's what I need. That's my need. That's what I want. And my partner does not give that to me, I'm out. I'm out. And that's how it should be. Because not everything in life is meant for you, and not every place and not every person will meet your needs, or even see that it's necessary why you need that. So, friends, you're not stupid. You're not dramatic. You're not imagining things, okay? Sometimes you're in a place where your instinct, your intelligence, your needs aren't welcome. And you can't thrive in a room that's built to keep you small.